Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Tremendous Tuesday, or hopefully for some of you, Taco Tuesday. Last night, we picked up the culinary expedition in the Czech Republic. I wasn't sure what I would find in the Czech Republic. It's a Slavic nation. You know, me being Polish, I did a bit of research before I actually prepared lentil soup with smoked meat. The language is Czech. It has its own language, which dates back a long time. This lentil soup with smoked meat or smoked sausage, like I used, is actually a very traditional meal in the Czech Republic. I did share the history and so forth yesterday, but it's also in the recipe. This was a good recipe. Very simple, a little bit of prep, but overall the flavor, because it has a mirepoix, you know, a traditional, or some people would say the French mirepoix, it's actually very good. The only spices was salt and pepper. No basil, no tarragon, no, oregano or anything like that. No paprikas. It's very good. It's simple, and it takes probably less than an hour to get it on the table from start to finish. It's good. I gave it a 5-star. I did. All right, today I'm going to have some fun today. Today is one of the days I get to play. I'm doing creamed chicken and biscuits. I found this little recipe last week. I actually had something else slated for today, but I chose to do this one because it's fun, and I'm going to play with it. So let's get to it. Hardware's pretty simple. Saute pan and my medium saucepan and a baking sheet. That's it. For the software, this is just a hair over 8 ounces of chicken thigh, boneless, skinless, kosher salt, black pepper, butter. I had some leftover diced onion from the other day. Flour. Now, the recipe calls just for peas, but I'm going to add corn and carrot. I'll dice up the carrot. And for the rest of the software, milk, whole milk, chicken stock, and this all gets, once it's all whipped up together, it all gets served over biscuits. Now, you all know my baking abilities. No. So I'm going with 2 biscuits, and I'm trying the Winco brand to see how they do. So here's all the software for tonight's meal. Now, to go with that software, I'm going to be playing with some herbs, probably some sage and a few other little things, maybe some basil. I don't know yet, but I'm going to play with it. But I'm going to keep it simple. All right, so on this Tuesday, this tremendous or Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.